Hi everyone, this is Vita from Crochet Frenzy Designs. It's been a while since I've made my last tutorial video, but in the last video we learned how to make a chain stitch, and this is what your chain stitch should look like. This is the front of your chain. I've made a chain of about 12, and this is the back of your chain. You can tell the difference because the front just has little openings in each one, and the back has the bumps on it. It has little bumps like so. Okay. In the last tutorial, we were working with a size J hook. Today, we will be working with a size K hook. It doesn't matter if it's a J or a K. These are just for you to learn how to make the stitches. And it is best to practice with larger needles so you can see your stitches better as you learn. Once you master your stitches, you can graduate to smaller needles. So either if you have a J hook that you were working with before, you can continue to use the J hook. But I'm going to be using a K today. All right. We have a chain of about 12. You're going to insert your hook. Okay. I am a left-handed crocheter, so you'll be seeing me holding my needle in my left hand, whereas right-handed will hold it in their right hand. How I hold my yarn in my right hand, you take the yarn like so, and this is the yarn that I will be pulling from my ball of yarn. Hold it in your hand. I close around 3 fingers, and I take the last finger and just wrap it around like so. And then I take my fingers here and just hold my chain. Okay, so it just makes it easy for you to maneuver the yarn. You can make the tension tight like this, you can make it loose, it doesn't matter. You can control the tension that way. All right, so we will be going into each one of these chains that we crocheted with, and we're going to be making single crochets. Okay, so the first chain is here. You're going to take your hook, you're going to insert it in that first chain. You're going to take your needle, you're going to wrap it around, you're going to pull that yarn through the chain. You should have 2 on your hook. You're going to take your yarn again and wrap it around that needle, your hook, and pull through 2. Let's do that again. Your next chain, insert hook, wrap yarn around your hook, and pull it through that chain. You have 2 on the hook. You're going to wrap your yarn around again and pull through 2. Once again, insert that hook into that single crochet, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through, wrap your yarn around the hook again, and pull through. And your work should start to look a little something like this. Okay, again, you can see the chains that we have not done yet. All right, let's go again. Insert into the chain, okay, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, and pull through 2. Okay, let's do one more. Insert, wrap around the hook, pull up that loop through. You have 2 on the hook, wrap around again, and pull through. Okay, so let's continue that to the last. We'll leave it up for 2. Okay, I'll meet you back. All right, so we are back to the last 2 chains. We're going to insert in that next to the last chain. Okay, wrap around your hook, pull it through. You have 2 on your hook, wrap around, and pull through 2. Once you do this on a regular basis, you will get comfortable with holding your needle and your yarn, everything together. But just so that you have the basics again of doing the stitch, insert that hook into that last the last chain, wrap around, pull through. You have 2 on the hook, wrap around and pull through. Now once you get to the end, this is what your work looks like. And we're just going to continue on. You're going to chain 1, a chain, yeah, just go wrap around the hook, pull through that last loop, and that's your chain 1. And just turn the work. Once you turn the work, you'll see chains on the top. These are the single crochets that we just did, just the chains are on the top. And what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be inserting through these holes here. See the little holes? And you can tell if you're correct, you can tell by just turning the work sideways that you're in the right chain, single crochet. Next one, just flip it that way. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue on with our single crochet in our next row, okay? So to make sure that you're going in the right one, just turn the work to the side. See that? That's your first one. You're going to insert your hook into that single crochet. Turn to the side so you can see. You're going to go through not this one, but this one. You're going to go through both of those, okay? You're going to wrap your hook around the yarn and pull through both of those loops we just went through. And you have 2 on your hook. Wrap your yarn around your hook and pull through both of those loops. Once again, we're going to be going into the next one. You can tell that because you're going to flip your work to the side and there's your chain. So we're going to go into that. Let's go into this one right here. That's it. See the hole? Yeah, you can stretch it a little bit so you can see which one you're going to be going into. So go that way. We're going in there. And insert there. We're going to go through both of those. Okay. Wrap your yarn around your hook. Pull through both of those. You have 2 on the hook. Wrap around and pull through. Okay, we're going to do it again. Okay. The chain, single crochet. Insert. See that? There you go. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around and pull through those 2 loops. Okay, next one. That's the hole you're going to be going through. This little hole right here. That one. Okay. Insert hook. So you went through both of those. Wrap around, pull through. 2 on your little hooks. Wrap around and pull through. Okay. Your work should start to look like this. Okay. You can still see the stitches that we have to go in through, which is this one, that one, those, the holes in them. And if you want to see the holes, you can stretch the work a little bit so you can see the holes. And each time you see a hole there, you just turn it to the side to make sure that you're in the right one. That's your next stitch right there. Right there. See that? Right there. Okay. So let's do this one here. Okay. Insert. So we can see we're in the right one. Insert. Okay. Wrap around your hook. Pull through. And wrap around the hook again and pull through 2. Let's go to the end. We're going to go till we get to the last. We have left 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go into the next 4 and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we went through the next 4, and your work should look something like this on the end. The last one looks kind of tricky. It doesn't even look like a single crochet, but you can see it this there on the end. Remember, just turn to the side so you can see what you got there. So you have 2 left. So we're going to go into this in here, the little hole there. See that? Go in there, wrap your yarn around your hook, pull through. You have 2 on the yarn on the hook. Wrap your yarn around again and pull through 2. Now the last one here, same thing, just looks a little different. You can see just on the top, there's your single crochet on the top. So we're going to go, you can just turn it to the side if you want to. Just go through those 2 right there. Wrap your yarn around your hook, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through those 2. And then we're going to just chain 1. And the same thing, just turn your work again, and the process starts all over again. So what you should have to look like this. This is how you do your single crochet. You have done a single crochet. Okay? And if you want to continue to do the same thing, just turn your work over. Again, here we are. At the top, you can tell on the top. I'll put the hook back in so you can see what it looks like. So the next chain, the next single crochet you'll be going in will be in this one. And you can tell that, just turn your work on the side. See that? There you go. You're going to always go into those. Okay, and wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through 2. Okay, so we're going to go in that one. That one's made easy. Insert your hook, wrap around, pull through, and pull through. So there we have it. You guys have just made a single crochet. We have compounded on the chain stitch that we did in the first video. You have made single crochet. If you have any questions, just make sure to drop them in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. Any comments, I welcome comments as well. So again, thank you again for visiting Crochet Frenzy Designs, and thank you again for doing a single crochet with me today.